How to get voice chat in Roblox without ID. This method works on mobile. Not everyone has an ID. I found a way to do it without one, so make sure not to skip any part of this video because if you do, you might miss an important step, and in the end, you'll have voice chat. Before we get into the video, I have a lot of Robux in my group, and I can give you some if you enter your username here. First, open Roblox on your phone, then tap on More and proceed to select Help and Safety. Next, search for voice chat. Scroll up until you find Need More Help. Contact support here and click on it. After that, fill out the required information exactly as shown in this video. Once you've completed the form, we've reached the most important part of the video, the message you'll send to support. I'll leave the message in the video description and the pinned comment. After writing the message, click Submit and then wait for 1 to 7 days. Support will contact you via the email you provided in the form. If you've made it this far, I hope you subscribe to the channel and write your Roblox username in the comments for a chance to win free Robux.